know. If you're ready, let me know. Let's go. If you're ready, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you're ready, let me know. Here we go. Let's go. I got a bottle of Grey Goose and ice cubes. Have a drink that'll put me in the right mood. 80 proof's gonna lower my IQ. And I've been the same way since high school. A little shorty right in her brown eyes. She about to take a trip to Cloud 9. I'm the man, baby, I get the crowd hype. I turn the cadence of a hook into a soundbite. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime and my money back. Everybody wanna know.
Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and in this video we will see some of the newly released watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the Amazfit GTS 3 has been there for a while and a lot of watch faces are getting released for this watch. So we will see some of these watch faces, how they look, and also the functions of this watch faces and the always on display which comes with this watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So the first watch face on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch face, and you can see how good this watch face looks. So it is exactly similar to the watch face which is a default watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It has this black background, and on top of that it has this green and white colors, and there is a person where it is running go. So if you tap on this, you will be going to the step count, which is a shortcut to the step count in this smartwatch. And also you will see there is a always on display which looks really good. So the always on display is a basic one, but definitely it shows you the time, which looks really good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Definitely you can try this watch face, and to download this watch face you have to come to the MS Faces app, and there you have to search for Galaxy Watch 4 watch face. So this is the watch face and this is designed by Don Yor. So definitely you can try this watch face, as this watch face looks really good on the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next watch face on the list is the Luminox watch face. You can see the watch face comes in this black background, and the green color of the watch hand just pops up on the AMOLED display of this watch face. So there is Luminox branding and some of the letters which displays you the time, and also shows you the date and the day. And we will see the always on display which comes with this watch face, although it doesn't come with any functions. So the always on display which comes with this watch face is a really good one. So you can see it comes with a full always on display, and definitely it looks really good on this watch, as if the watch face is glowing on this watch. So definitely you can try this for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Comes with the name of Luminox in the MS Faces app. This is also designed by Don Yor, and you can download this from the MS Faces app itself. So next watch face on the list is an interesting one, and you can see this watch face has a really lot going into it. So it shows you a lot of information, and it comes in this black, red and white colors, which really looks good on this watch. First of all, it shows you the time and the battery percentage, here the step count, the pi information, the heart rate information, and here also it shows you the calories burned and every type of information you will get from this watch face, along with the weather. So there are shortcuts also. So first of all, if you tap on this, you can go to the weather. So there are definitely a lot of shortcuts. So if you tap on this circle, you will go to the step count. So really good looking watch face with a lot of functions. And now we will see the always on display. So the always on display is a very special one. As you can see, it shows almost the whole watch face with every bit of information. So it comes in this black background and the colors of the letters are in white, so it really looks good and it shows the full information on the always on display also. Definitely one of the good looking watch faces you can try for Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and comes with the name of RZ227 GTS 3. So this is designed by Ural CFR. So definitely one of the good looking watch faces with a very good looking always on display you can try for Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next watch face on the list is an animated watch face with the Casio branding into it, and definitely it gives you that funky style or cyberpunk theme to it, and really good looking watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. It shows a lot of information in there. So first of all, shows you the step count with sunset and sunrise times, and also here you can see there is a battery percentage, there is connection symbol, there is date, day and the time, and there is an animation also going on. So definitely a really good looking watch face, although it doesn't come with any shortcuts, and there is a Casio rangeman branding also. So let's see the always on display which comes with this watch face. So the always on display is a basic one. It shows the time in this digital format and the date and the day in this color on the black background, and you can download this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Casio animated, and this is also designed by Donier. The next watch face on the list is a fossil watch face, and you can see this watch face is a simple watch face, but definitely it looks really good on this Amazfit GTS 3. It comes with this blue background, and there are some information it displays in here with the fossil branding. So there are no shortcuts or any functions for this watch face. Let's see the always on display. So the always on display is also a classic one. You can see on the black background the watch hands will be displayed, so it will really look good on this AMOLED display. So definitely you can try this for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So it comes with the name of fossil in the Amazfit app, and this is also designed by Donier, and one of the classic looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So next watch face is a Huawei Watch GT watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3. So it displays few information on the watch face like the battery percentage, the date, day and the year, and also the step count, and here it shows you the kilocalories. So there are no shortcuts for this watch face unfortunately, but definitely you can see a very good looking always on display which it comes with. So the always on display is a full always on display, and definitely shows you all the information as the watch face is, and you can definitely try this for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Comes with the name of Huawei, and this is also designed by Donier itself. The next watch face on the list is this Casio watch face, and it looks really good on the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So it has this Casio branding. It shows you a little bit information like the battery percentage and the time and the date, and definitely it has one of the best looking always on display you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So it has this colored always on display, and you can see the full watch face will be displayed on this watch. So if you want a watch face with a color full always on display, you can definitely download this watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and it really looks good also on this watch. So this watch face comes with the name of New Casio, and one of the really good looking watch face you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, also designed by Donier. So the next watch face on the list is the Active Sport watch face, and it comes in this black and yellow colors. It really looks good because of the dark AMOLED background and the yellow color used into it. So it shows you a little bit of information like the step count, and also the date and the day and the heart rate information, and definitely there is a shortcut also. So if you tap on here, you will go to the step count, which is a really good thing. So definitely a good looking watch face, and we will see the always on display now. So the always on display is a very beautiful one because of the colors used into it. You can see there is yellow color and also the gray color which denotes the always on display for this smartwatch. This watch face comes with the name of Active Sport in the Amazfit app, and you can definitely download for the Amazfit GTS 3 designed by Donier itself. So one of the good looking watch faces with a very good looking always on display you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you the newly released watch faces along with the functions and the always on display and how they look on this Amazfit GTS 3. So a lot of watch faces are getting released, which is a really good thing, and we will definitely see more watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this one. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.